Hello guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to create a website in 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. The website would be created for a general purpose like your portfolios and e-portfolios and your any stuff the website you need for, and it must have, like, you need a website that some people interact with you, like contact form and other stuff. So let's get into the video. So for this guys, you need to go to your browser, any browser, and in there you need to type sites or visit sites.google.com. okay, once you visit the website you will see this interface, okay, and here you will be given the plus sign here to create a new site, and from here you can create a new site. Just click it. Now guys, it's a very easy way to create a site. I'm going to giving you a walkthrough here and telling you everything which you need to. Now first you get this header at the top of your website, and here you can enter your website name, and these are the header settings and the header type. You can select various types from here. Now this is the cover, and this is the large banner and title only, which it contains only the title, but you will not see any image in the back. So for demonstration purpose I'm using the large banner thing, or the banner thing, which is included by default, and now I'm going to enter some name. You can also put styles on the text, like if you want it to be bold or you want it to be italic. You can also do that by clicking or selecting the whole text in here, and just clicking those buttons on toolbar, like there is a bold one, there is italic one here, and all the stuff you can do in an easy way. Okay, now coming on the next way, there is a change image option in the back. Now you can upload an image or select the image. There are a lot of images given by default. You can select one from here you want to use, and it would adjust it automatically, and it will be applied to your site. Okay, now here at the top you can also use a logo, and you can also add a logo here, and you can use your logo from your PC, or also you can use it from your Google Drive, or also you can provide a URL from here. So I'll be providing a URL, and the image will come up here. Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. As you can see, the logo is now included to your site. Just close this here, and you can see your site now have a logo. Okay, and now from here there is a sidebar. You can choose from here. You can use text, images, and all other embedded stuff you want to use. You can also put your YouTube videos and buttons and dividers, all that stuff on your site. Okay, so for now you want to add something like image file. So let me add an image file from here, and let's select that URL again and insert an image to show you. Okay, and you can see we easily added an image to here. Now I want to add a text. So what you guys need to do, just double tap and you will see this controller come up. So select the between, you can see the text, and click there. You can add as much text portions as you want, and you can add multiple text here, and you can also add various images here, and also you can add image carousel or like slideshows and buttons and everything you want. Now coming up to very important portion where you want a contact form, your website. You can create your contact form by default from the Google Forms, and then you can add them here. For the example purpose, I have also created a form, and now I will add it here. Just click it and click insert. Now the contact form will come up here, as you can see very easily, and you can just select where you want to make it to come up. You can also add a footer at last and enter your information here as well. Last step, what you guys need to do is to just publish your website. Now for that you need to click this blue button for publish. Click it, and you have to give your website address, or you can also give a custom URL like domain by clicking manage. Now if I click it, you can assign a domain here and click assign. Now for demonstration purpose, I am not giving it a domain but giving it a name, so it will use this Google default domain for viewing my website. After giving it a name, just click on publish. Now your website is successfully published, as you can see message here. Now just click it, copy publish site link, copy the link, and you can view it in a new tab. Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. Now you guys can see your website working. You can also add pages to your website by clicking pages and clicking this plus sign, and you can add here more pages.
is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Now you can see we have added a contact us page very easily. You can also change the navigation mode. Like we use for smartphones. Now guys, you saw that how you can create a website in 10 minutes which is ready to go, and it's 24/7 online. You will not face any issue. All your information, all your images are saved on your Google Drive. So guys, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon for future updates. This is Shahryar signing out. Allah Hafiz.